Hello, today we will study how to name a number. Naming of number is known as numeration. Mainly, there are two types of numeration. One is called Indian system of numeration or Hindu-Arabic system of numeration, and the other is called international system of numeration. In Hindu-Arabic system of numeration, we read a number, we give the name of a number according to a certain rule. And in international system of numeration also, we give the name of a number according to a certain rule. That rule is known as numeration. What is meant by numerals? Numerals means how to give a symbol for a number. For example, there are two types of numerals. Mainly, there are two types of numerals. One is same thing, Hindu-Arabic numerals, and the second one is Roman numerals. You know that in Hindu-Arabic numerals or Indian system of numeration, the numerals used for 1, what we write? For 1 we write 1 like this. This is the symbol for 1. And what is the symbol for 2? Like this. What is the symbol for 3? It is like this. For 5, it is like this. This is Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now what is Roman numerals? There also we have studied. For Roman numerals, for 1, what is that? We write like this. For 2, like this. 3, like this. 5, like this. 10, like this. And so on. So, these numerals are you are already familiar with. Now in this video, I am going to explain how to name a number. How to give a name to a number. I told you that there are two systems. One is called Indian system of numeration, a Hindu-Arabic system of numeration, and the other is international system of numeration. Both the numeration table, international place value chart as well as Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart and international place value chart are shown in the same place so that you can compare the different place values in Indian system as well as in international system. You look at the board. In Indian system of numeration or Hindu-Arabic system of numeration, the first place is called ones, then tens, then 100. Ones, tens and hundreds together forms the first period of the system. So in the first period there are 3 places. Ones period, ones, tens and hundreds. Now the next period, that is called the period of thousands. There are 2 places, that is 1000 and 10,000. So 1000 and 10,000 together becomes the second period. That is, in the second period there is only 2 places. In the third period also there is only 2 places. That is lakh and 10 lakh. So in the first period there are 3 places. Second period there are 2 places. Third period there are 2 places. And the fourth period is called the period of crores. So in crores there is no definite places. Say first period is crore, 10 crore, 100 crore, 1000 crore, 10,000 crore, like that it goes. So this is the Indian place value chart. Now just below I have given the international place value chart. See, in the international place value chart also, these places are same. Ones, tens, hundreds, same thing only. Then 1000, 10,000. So in the international place value chart also, there are the first period contains 3 places. 3 places. But the second period called the places of thousands, having 3 places. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This is also having 3 places. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then comes the period of millions. Million, 10 million, 100 million. So we notice that in international system, every period contains 3 places. Every period there are 3 places. And the next is billion. B we write billion. Billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Now here it comes trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion, and so on. So we can compare using the same place value chart. We can compare the two places in the two systems. See, up to 10,000 there is no difference in Indian system and international system. But here you notice 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. So 100,000 we should not use in Indian system. In Indian system, 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. So 1 lakh, in the place of 1 lakh, in international system there is 100,000. And for 10 lakh, there is million. So 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. And 1 crore is equal to 10 million. And 10 crore is equal to 100 million. So this both you should not combine. Some children use both the systems combined karke bol. That is, in Indian system there is 1000, 10,000, then 100,000 they use, and then they confuse with the lakh and 10 lakh. So there should be no confusion. What is 100,000? 100,000 is equal to lakh. This lakh, crore and all are in Indian system only. In international system there is no lakh, crore and all. But in international system there is million, billion and trillion. This is a system we use. International system means internationally accepted system it is. So we have to now communicate internationally, because the world now is globalization. Globally we have to talk. Whatever we say, the people of other country also should understand. If every country have their own system of numeration, then it will become very difficult to understand what we are saying. So we are having an international system. So international system to understand is very important. To understand the international system is very important. So we have to know the relation between what is million. 1 million equal to 10 lakh. And 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Then crore, 10 million. 10 crore, 100 million, and so on. So compare this and study and remember this relation. So you will be able to understand the numbers when it is given. You will be able to write in Indian system as well as in international system. Now this Indian system or international system, whatever it is also known as a decimal system. You know what is 1 by decimal? Deci means what? Deci means 1 by 10. You have already heard deci, centi, milli, kilo, this type of abbreviations. They have a definite meaning. Deci means 1 by 10. So here the place value, you know that if you go from right to left, every place, the next place is obtained by multiplying by 10. Or if you come from left to right, the next place, the right place is obtained by dividing the left place by 10. You know that it is 100. 100 divided by 10 is 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. Here everywhere you can see. From right to left we go on multiplying with the 10. Or from left to right, we read the numbers, or we read and write from left to right. Here number system we read the number from left to right. So from we go on going from left to right, the place decreases by 1 by 10, and this 1 by 10 is also known as deci, and that is why this place value chart is known as decimal system. See, it is 1. Then if we extend this place value chart to the right again, then definitely the next place should be 1 by 10. 1 into 1 by 10, that is 1 by 10. And it is also known as tenths. T-E-N-T-H-S. Tenths. Then again we multiply 1 by 10 with 1 by 10. Then we get 1 by 100. That is hundreds. H-U-N-D-R-E-D-T-H-S. Hundreds. Then again 1 by 100 into 1 by 10, 1 by 1000. That is we multiplying with the deci. One place, the left place is multiplied with deci. That is 1 by 10 to get the next right place. So here in this decimal, these places are known as decimal places. So to distinguish between the whole number part and the decimal part, we put a decimal point. So this is same in international system and Indian system. This is same thing only. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 1 by 10,000 yani 10,000s. Last में THS we add THS, and that is called 1 by 10,000 yani 10,000s and so on. Now let us name a number. How to name this number in both the systems? In both the systems, how to name this number? First of all, let us name this number in Indian system of numeration. What we have to do? First, we have to group these numbers according to the period. So in Indian system, I have told you that the first period contains 3, then 2, and so on. So this is the period of ones, then 1, 10, 100, then this is the period of thousands, and this is lakh. So what is the name of this number? 23 lakh 57,938 in Indian system. 23 lakh. See, 23 lakh 57,938. You might have noticed that when we name a number, one period is told together. See, 23, that's the period of lakh, and we say 23 lakh. Then 57,000, and this together 938. Suppose we have to name this number in international system of numeration. How it will be? We have to give every 3. Every period contains 3 digits. That is, it will be 2,357,938. 2 million. It will come in the place of, there you go. See, same thing. 2 here, 2 million, then 357. See, together. I told you that. One period is a number we should say together. 357,938. Notice that the digits in a period we should say together. Suppose if we make this number a little more big, if you want to make it this number a little more big, how to name this number? This is a big number. We can name it in Indian system and the international system. So in the beginning, in the Indian system, if you want to name it, then 3, 2, 2, and then remaining will come in the crores place. So it will be 505 crore 23 lakh 57,938. 505 crore. 505 crore. That is, it comes in the 505 crore. 505 crore. Then 23 lakh. Same thing. 23 lakh 57,938. Or if it is in international system, how it will come? 5 will come here, 5 billion, then 0, 5. It will become 5 billion 52 million. This is 0. So we will 052, we will read it as 52. 52 million 357,938. Now we extend this number to the decimal places. How we will name it? Decimal places are same. So suppose 4392335.7532. How it will be? How will name it? In Indian system, it will be 4,39,235.7532. So this Indian system we will write. How we will write this number? We will write it as, it will be 4 lakh. It will come in the place of lakh. 4 lakh 39,235. 235. Then decimal point, this is a decimal. 7532. 7532. We say it is like that. So 7,532 10,000s. But we don't say like that. We say just to say 7532. 7,532 10,000s we have to say. It is a little bit confusing, so we will just say 7532. We should not say 7,532, we should say 7532. One thing more you have to notice, so if the same number we write here, it will come 4 here, 4 here, then 400,000, 439,000 international system, and 235, 439,000. It comes in the place of 1,000. 235. Point, same thing only, 7, 5, 3, 2. One thing more you have to notice is that before the number, that is million place, it is empty. 10 million place is empty. Billion place is also empty. And here, 1 by 10,000 ke baad, 1 by 1 lakh, what is it? This is empty. So if these places are empty, we can put 0. So it is there. After the decimal point, if we put zeros, or before the whole number, we put zeros, the value of the number do not change. This concept you should keep. Here we put zeros, or even if we put zeros, the value of the number do not change. This idea you should remember, because this is very useful in the calculation of decimals. My next video will be about decimals, and I hope you understood this video and it is very helpful for you. So if it is interesting, I hope you are it is interesting for you and you understood it very nicely. My explanation is very easy and simple. So if you like this video, please give a like and share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, you subscribe my channel also. Okay, thank you.